Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Assetto Corsa for beginners, only way. Start by configuring controls, calibrating force feedback, and selecting a forgiving car to learn basics. Focus on smooth inputs, gradual throttle, and progressive braking to build consistency. Practice one corner at a time, note braking markers, and repeat laps until the line and speed feel natural. Keep sessions short and review telemetry for steady improvement. Configure your car to match your learning goals and hardware. Start with conservative setups, moderate power, and predictable handling to reduce surprises while learning lines. Use slight camber and stable tire pressures to keep consistent grip across laps. Tweak ABS and traction control in small steps to find what helps you learn without masking errors. Keep notes on each change so you can return to setups that improved your lap times. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more beginner content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which adds immersive audio to your sim rig and alerts while you practice. Check the description for the link and other deals to upgrade your setup and make practice sessions more enjoyable. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering basic techniques will transform lap times and confidence. Practice braking zones, smooth steering, and progressive throttle to maintain balance through corners. Trail braking helps rotate the car, but avoid abrupt inputs that upset grip. Visualize the racing line, aim for the apex, and unwind steering smoothly on exit to maximize traction. Consistent repetition builds muscle memory and makes small improvements add up quickly over multiple sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.